there's all these different things. First of all, understand your own endocannabinoid system. Now, understanding method of consumption. How do you consume? And the plant is complicated. It has like over 400 different molecules in it. So understanding how complicated the plant is, if you're taking a gummy, you may be just consuming the isolated THC molecule. Well, and plus you're metabolizing it through your first pass. Your liver takes that delta 9 THC, converts it to a metabolite, which is 11-oxyhydroxide delta 9 THC, then goes back up to your bloodstream, binds to your receptors, but you have a different experience. And if you're a slow metabolizer, first of all, the onset may be slower, it may be a lot more powerful, and it can last longer. So really understanding your own self, like doing a DNA test to me is your life's GPS. So understanding like where your own potholes are in your own road, understanding where there's a traffic jam. Now, you can still do whatever you want to do, but understanding and knowing that makes you more empowered to make better decisions for your own health and wellness. That way, you know which things to put in your body, and you know if I'm going to do this, I may actually affect that. So making lifestyle choices, just because you have a genetic predisposition, it doesn't mean it's going to epigenetically express itself. But just by knowing that, so you were talking about, you know, dependence, and there's genetics for that as well. One of the reasons why we have this opioid crisis is because 1 in 4 people may have a genotype that makes them dependent on opioids. So if there's 4 of us in a room and we all get an oxy, one of us can trigger that dependence gene, and that's it. So just understanding how many doctors prescribe an opioid without unknowing that this person may have an opioid dependence gene. What about depression? How many psychopharmacologists prescribe antidepressants without understanding that there's a treatment-resistant genotype? And some people may not, it'll never work for them, but they'll still get all the side effects. But it's okay because we have a pill for the side effects as well.
Of course we do. Yeah.